वेलकम करना है हमें.
Yeah, hello everyone. It's my first film, so I'm already very nervous. And thank you so much for, you know, I think, first of all, thank you to both of you for giving me that courage to be the Saira that I could, on screen. I was really nervous. I was really overwhelmed with the whole opportunity that I was given. So there's so much more to this film, and I think, I would let you guys see as it unfolds. And I'm really happy to just be here, I think. Yeah, and also I'm standing in middle. I don't want to be that. But
We're going to put the spotlight on you
yeah,
now.
please do that.
Better get used to it.
Already feeling on spot. So, yeah.
I'm just looking at you. I'm like, हाँ ठीक है ये जो तीन लोग यहाँ खड़े हैं, they are already killing it. You know, जो भी whatever we saw on that big screen, जब आप entry मारते हो, तब से लेके that confidence, talk to us about that. And especially when you are working with these seasoned actors, Yami Gautam Dhar, one of the bestest in the country. Imran Hashmi, सारी दुनिया एक तरफ, Imran Hashmi एक तरफ, है ना?
Bollywood. Just Roger the dialogue right now.
नहीं ठीक है, हमारे लिए तो सारी दुनिया, of course. So yes, please बताइए.
So for me, when the whole journey started, it was quite a last minute, very, I would say, everything
No
happened
details,
so,
no
yeah.
secrets here, no details.
No, I just want to say that how in such little time, everybody helped me to discover Saira so fast and so well that I just couldn't believe that I can do this. And I think there was one time that, Yami, the way she's helped me on screen, I think, I just feel like, I remember this one scene she helped me and I went to her van and I literally cried in front of her. And I was like, you know what, I wish...
Everyone's like, what film is this?
Did I have to do something with that?
Not really, but obviously coming to Imran, I think he's just such a wonderful person to work with. Every moment he's kept everything so light, so professional, and I would say that, just overall giving me that confidence that I can work with actors like them with confidence and not making me feel like that, oh, this is your first film or this is how you should be. Like they've always helped me, get better and not said like, oh, no, you should do it like this or that. So I think that's what I really, really appreciated. And I'm totally like impressed by both of them for...
So sweet.
See, Vartika, हमने sorry.
No, no, and if I can add to that, from to once upon a time, yeah, although I'm still a newcomer, I feel we're still learning every day, still taking my baby steps in the industry. But for someone who started her career, 10, 12 years ago, and to another debutante, I'd say one of the issues, not just in the industry, but anywhere, is ego, right? Sometimes you feel someone's too talented, but I think if one can let go of ego and literally surrender to the situation and just keep everything aside and just do the best what it takes to get the best for the film. And you have that attitude. Attitude is not something that can be taught. That's not something that could be, you can preach or you can teach. That comes from your own sense of understanding things and your own experience. And I must say you're on the right path, Vartika. And we really wish you all the best. People are going to love you in the film and all things nicest for you in the film.
A couple of days back, and they had, for her, they said that she looks like a seasoned artist. It doesn't even look like a first piece of work. And they went on and on about her performance. I think she's done a spectacular job in the film. Yeah,
Thank you so much. I think all thanks to my director as well. I think he believed in me as who I was supposed to play.
Right.
And he's really helped me in every possible way to get what we have been able to do today.
Right.
So thank you so much, Supan sir.
And of course, talking about the director, so मुझे लगता है कि अब बारी है कि of
आ
course
जाओ,
आ जाइए
आ
सर.
जाओ, आ जाओ.
जिनकी जोरदार तालियां सर. सर मुझे बताएं, ये इतनी अच्छी जैसे
एक सेकंड, मेरा नाम सुपर्ण है, सर मत बोल. इस इंडस्ट्री में सर गाली है, बट
मैं तो डर गया कि मैंने गलत कुछ बोल दिया. ओके, सो सुपर्ण प्लीज हमें बताइए कि अच्छी खासी केमिस्ट्री, जैसा मैंने कहा, कबूल में बहुत ज्यादा प्यार दिख रहा है. इट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग. इनकी केमिस्ट्री बड़ी कमाल लग रही है, तो कहीं लगा कि मुझे इसको लव ट्रैक को बहुत ज्यादा लेके जाना चाहिए था, कहाँ फेस ऑफ करवा दिया?
Well, शुरुआत से लालच बहुत था because when you have Imran and Yami, and Imran is the king of romance, right? Every woman wants to be his heroine, and it's a dream, literally, right? Like, look at this man. He is the stuff dreams are made of. Every man wants to be him. And yes, there was a greed. We do have a version which will never come out, जिसमें काफी लंबा रोमांस चलता है. But fact is this, सारी कहानी का जो मूल है,
Keeping the film in mind.
keeping the film in
Yes,
mind.
please.
Not just the two
Amrita's
actors.
really worried. Our producers are really worried.
It's not the version that you think.
Not the version you think, no.
I saw her expression. I was like, I have to jump in for Amrita.
But the fact is this, that when you take that challenge of they subverting the idea of romance, and where a marriage ends, the drama begins, and that's where Haq starts with. It comes down to two things: a man's belief in what he wants or he believes in, and a woman's right to dignity and her self-respect. And these are basic fundamental questions in every relationship of a marriage going right or wrong. Very small things at times which keep building up over years. And that's a journey these guys created. And what I love most is that what you saw in the song, right, Kabul Hai by Vishal Mishra, which is absolutely amazing, it's magical, is the fact that they have condensed, being the seasoned artists they are, that a decade of romance into those few minutes before the drama blows up. That's them.
एंड वो खूबसूरत है, द वर्ड इज खूबसूरत, मजा आ गया. जस्ट वन मोर थिंग सर, सुपर्ण प्लीज हमें बताइए, सेंसिटिविटी को जो यहाँ है, ये कॉमन या कानून जो सवाल है ना, यही अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा सवाल है. उसको सेंसिटिविटी को रखते हुए सच्चाई के साथ उसको लोगों तक प्रेजेंट करना, कितना डर लग रहा था कि इस पे तो बवाल मचेगा?
देखिए, honestly, I don't think, I think जब सिर्फ एक बंदा काफिया बनाई थी, तब डर ज्यादा था. उससे आई थिंक हमको जो सपोर्ट मिला एंड रियलाइज किया कि ऑडियंस चाहती है कि इस तरह की कहानियां बने. जब माय राइटर रेशु नाथ वाज हियर, वी स्टार्टेड राइटिंग एंड रिसर्चिंग फॉर द फिल्म. आवर एंटायर स्ट्रेंथ केम फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट दिस इज अ फिल्म दैट नीड्स टू बी मेड एंड टॉक्ड अबाउट. बिकॉज ये मुद्दे, जैसे कि इमरान ने कहा, सालों से चलते आ रहे हैं और अब तक हैं उतने ही रेलेवेंट. एंड इट्स टाइम वी स्टार्ट हैविंग कन्वर्सेशंस, स्टार्ट ब्रिंग देम आउट. And we come from a place of honesty, or from a place of love and respect for all our brothers and sisters. And when you come from that space, audience instantly सूंघ लेती है कि आप बना क्या रहे हैं और कहानी में सच्चाई कितनी है. So we have spent 3 years in researching and writing this film to bring it to you.
वाओ. और इतनी क्लैरिटी